Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to delete Steam account. So in order to delete your Steam account, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, what you can do is you could go ahead and log in into your Steam account. So type in store.steampower.com. That's going to take you to the official page. So while you're on this page, you could go ahead and press on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. Then go to account details from a drop down menu. While you're on this page, scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom you can find this option as delete my Steam account. Go ahead and press that. As soon as you press on this, you'll be taken to the next field where you can read all of the terms and conditions or the support letter. Once again, go through all of these information, and if you're sure about it, then click on proceed to account deletion. Not that you have to go ahead and enter or give a reason for deleting your Steam account, so do that and click on the send button, and they'll look into your matter, and within 24 to 48 hours your account should be deleted. So by following this step, you should have successfully deleted your steampower.com, that is Steam account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.